If someone gives you an element's numbers, can you figure out what's inside the atom? Let's find out. The atomic number tells you how many protons are inside the nucleus. That number is the atom's identity card. For neutrons, subtract. Mass number 35 minus atomic number 17 gives 18 neutrons. In a neutral atom, electrons equal protons. So chlorine has 17 protons, 18 neutrons, and 17 electrons. Common mistake: students write mass number as neutrons. Always subtract. Neutrons equals mass number minus atomic number. Remember PNE. Protons from atomic number, neutrons by subtracting, electrons equal protons. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.